Alright, for all you clan people out there that hate disorganized bases, I got something for you today. So, here we got an infinity sorter, okay? This will take any item from any box and it will organize it. So, let's say you just came back from a raid and you're transferring loot and your whole system to be organized, but you don't want to have to deal with finding the right box. Well, I've got just the system for you. You just throw anything in any box and it works itself out, no problem. Alright, so any box you want, boom, throw it in, good to go. As long as you have a filter set for it. So, see, sulfur ore, sulfur, boom, it'll transfer it back to the depot. As long as the depot isn't full, it will then resort everything and put it back in the system. And it will do it infinitely. So any items that you need sorted, boom, perfect. And the way that this system works is you have your traditional sorter on this side. So the output of your depot boxes is right here. The output goes into your normal sorter with the conveyor chain and your splitters. However, what happens is this system is one directional if you only have the splitters and conveyors set up to input through filters. So you'll have your filters in here, right, for everything that you need, right? That's only one side. So what you do is there's a little nifty function on conveyors called exclude listed items. So if you output from the same box and you exclude whatever you want filtered in this box, what will happen is it will exclude, for example, it'll exclude tools, it'll exclude ammo, it'll exclude clothing, right, on this side. However, anything else that was put in here will then get taken out by this conveyor and looped back into the depot. So what you have is essentially infinity loops, an infinity sorter. So it allows you to sort any item in any box, which means essentially you don't technically need depot, right? You could technically just take this output and hook it right back into the splitter. However, for simplicity's sake, I've added a depot here because maybe you want to have depot on your entryway so you can put stuff in. Now, in theory, this system is very, very good because it allows you to sort in any box. However, if you do have, let's say you had a system like this, you might want to have the depot lead into the system and have the system be closed first. So instead of doing it this way, you would have the depot lead into here and then just have this loop back into the splitter instead of having it loop through the depot. Because then technically if someone blows into your depot while your sorter is working, they could get an AK or rockets or whatever you're putting into there. So that's the infinity sorter. It works pretty well. I would say if you're in a clan, a big deep clan, like 10 people or 16 people, this is a must-have for your base.